mechanisms as appropriate to review experience gained and lessons learned from the WHO coordinated international health response to COVID-19. Through the said resolution, the DG was also required to make recommendations to improve capacity for global pandemic prevention, preparedness and response, including through strengthening as appropriate the WHO Health Emergencies Program. In accordance with the Health Assembly Resolution WHA 73.1, WHO Director General Dr. Tedros has established the Review Committee on the Functioning of the International Health Regulations 2005 during the COVID-19 response, initiated the Independent Panel for Pandemic Preparedness and Response, and continued full engagement with the Independent Oversight and Advisory Committee for the WHO Health Emergencies Program to ensure the continuous improvement of the program. On behalf of the board, I convey a sincere thanks to these committees and panels for their untiring efforts. We will hear updates from them tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that we at WHO must all rise to the occasion to save the powerless and the voiceless, to see hope in these darkest of hours. This is one chance, one moment to forge open collaborations and reaffirm that truth that the world is one. Before we begin the proceedings of the special session, we must redeem our pledge to work with the global community of partners for the efficient, effective, and responsive discharge of public health obligations. I look forward to meaningful and productive deliberations during this special session, where we should share our learnings from how each one of us is tackling this catastrophe, how we can support the financial or technical gaps that some of our member states may have, and agree to continue R&D in an aggressive and collaborative way, and share the fruits of our efforts in a fair and equitable manner. Let there be no doubt that we shall overcome. Let there be no doubt that yes, we can. I thank you for granting me this privilege to open this session and welcome you. Thank you. Friends, due to the current restrictions imposed in response to COVID-19, this special session will be held using a hybrid format. This means that EB Special Section 5 will involve having the 34 members of the board or another member of the EB members delegation, such as a delegate located closer to the meeting venue, physically present with other delegation members, other member states, and other participants as appropriate, participating through the virtual platform. Before we proceed, I would like to say a few words about the virtual platform. Participants on the virtual platform may request the floor by raising their hands. This involves clicking on the icon labeled Participants at the bottom of the screen and then clicking on the button labeled Raise Hand. In terms of procedural motions, EB members or another delegate of the EB members delegation physically present in the EB room wishing to raise a point of order or exercise a right of reply should do so by raising their nameplates. EB members and delegates of that EB members delegation not physically present in the EB room and wishing to raise a point of order or exercise a right of reply should do so by opening the chat window at the bottom of the screen and sending a message to the procedural issues. The right of reply will be accorded at the end of the day. Delegates are kindly required to keep their interventions as brief as possible, and in the interest of time, it would be appreciated if interventions could be limited to up to 3 minutes. In addition to one-to-one chat, a public chat will be available to participants. Please be informed that the public chat is not intended to replace and or complement the actual debate. To regulate the conduct of this hybrid session, we shall now take up the draft decision contained in document EB special session /5/4. May I take it that the executive board is ready to adopt the special procedures contained in document EBSS /5/4 and to apply them to this meeting. I see no objection. It is so decided. Thank you.
బులెటిన్లో షార్ట్ బ్రేక్ తీసుకుందాం.